how to share a YouTube link on your Instagram stories. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to share YouTube links on your Instagram stories. But before I do that, please don't forget to hit the like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so you may have noticed that Instagram won't natively let you add a link to an external website when you're posting a story. So I'm going to show you a quick workaround how to do that. So post a story in the normal way by swiping left, then upload your photo. Once you've chosen the photo you want to upload, tap on the stickers button at the top of the screen. And you can either do a search in the search bar by tapping on the search bar and then typing in link, or if you just scroll down, mine's the option there in the middle. So I'm just going to tap on link. And here, all I need to do now is paste the YouTube link to the video that I want to share on my story. And then when I post the story, the link will actually appear on the story, and everyone will be able to click on it and it will take you to your YouTube video. And that's all it takes to share a YouTube link on your Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.